All right. Happy holidays, everyone. Okay, for today's video, I am breaking two Mosaic 2021 baseball. These are the mega box. You should get one autograph per box on average, 96 card per box. Two bonus 8 card packs. I guess you get what? The 8 Mosaic reactive yellow and reactive red parallel per box on average, so 8 of each, 16. And then you got 2 silver prism and 2 Mosaic parallel. Okay, this should be a fun box to break. Should be. I did break one box, the hobby one though, and these are just the mega one. So I believe a few weeks ago I broke the hobby edition. All right, here we go. Let's see what we have here. Here we go, the bonus pack. Very nice. All right. This is the bonus pack here, and then you have another bonus pack here, and then you got 8 regular packs. All right, that's fair enough. All right, let's get to it. Just curious what auto we would get in this box. All right, Nolan, Trent, Lopez, Chink, Wilcrow, Ryan Weather, Ricky. Oh, producer, nice, Karukin. Old school. All right, that's a nice one. Where is the rookie one? I'm sorry, I forgot. Help. Here's your 2 rookie. All right. Next, what we have here? Mart, Sean, rookie Bart. There we go, rookie. All-time great, Ichiro. Frank Thomas, launcher. Yeah, Panini Baseball has a lot of insert and stuff. It's always a fun to break Panini Baseball. Swanson, Disney, Reeves. We got rookie. I'm sorry, Nick, Trevor. Oh, this is a cool one. Fergie Jenkins. Ace. This is nice. I like this. Look at that. Ooh, okay. I like that one. Those are cool cards. Blake, Wiki, Omar. Oops, sorry. We got Jimenez, rookie. Don Carson, rookie. Oh, here's a reading one. Rookie, Garcia, New York. This number, ooh, whoa, 3 out of 10. What? Christian, oh damn. Okay. 3 out of 10. This is nice. Surprise here. Let's leave him up. That's cool. Kurt, yes, Ricky, Matt Olson. I guess this silver thingy. And you got Tom Seaver, ace too. Okay. All right. This is cool. So we have 2 ace. Tom and Virgie. All right. Here we go. so we got Josh, Sandy, Chris. Okay, well, also, while I was on travel, I read in the news that one of my favorite player, ex-national, signed a huge contract with the Mets. I'm kind of bummed because that is within the division, but I get it. Oh, here's a good one. Oh, this is a nice one too. Shiny. I mean, that's a pretty good contract for Max, you know, so I'm happy for him. Great player, one of the best, one of the nicest too, national players, so I'm rooting for him, except when he played with my team. But great guy. Congrats to the Mets fan. You will like him for the next 3 years. So no hate from me. From one of the best player in the national. This one number? Nope. This one's not number, so I'm just gonna leave it here for now. So many big fly. No hate. I guess he just got to get what he can get, right? In the last few years of his career, I'm pretty sure he's with the Mets. He'll be done, hopefully, if he stay healthy. But man, that's a guy, amazing player. And not only that, I mean, him and his wife, they do so much with the community, with charities and stuff. Oh, it's a cool one. Whoa, Tariq. This is a cool one too. Look at that. Oh, shiny. Yeah, so not only he's a great player, he's also a great person. He give back a lot to the community, so. Okay. What? No! Not the Luis Gonzalez. Okay, so we got this one, sorry. Producer. Where's this one go to? Over here? Ooh, Luis Gonzalez from Chicago. Oh, damn, that's nice. I would take this one, yeah. Okay. Louis. All right. And then the last pack here. I love Mega Box. They're the best for, you know, to get like an auto and stuff. And they're not as expensive as the hobby box, so I would say Mega Box is bang for the buck. Ooh, time rate. And to head, ooh, look at this one, vintage. Whoa, that's cool. Look at that. Whoa. And it's not number. Wow, I like this. All right, so not bad, right? And these are the bonus pack. I believe these bonus pack is the yellow and the red. Mosaic thingy. I'm pretty sure that's what, yep. So you got a yellow one. Here we go. So that's your yellow stack. And this is the red stack here. And, okay. Oh, this is cool. All the time. They're white. Cool. All right, not bad. All right, so that is the first box. Let's rip the second one, shall we? All right. All right, here we go. Here we go. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Josh, Sandy, Gonzalez, Kevin, Chisholm, Lynch, and Pearson. Ooh, here's a cool one. Oh, that one is a silver one. Okay. Bryce Harper, MVP 2021. Hot sauce. This is cool. Look at that. Man, I love some Panini. Panini baseball. This number or no? Nope, no number. That one's not number at all. Okay, here we go. Lanier and Roger Clemens, ace. Max should be on there, right? Max should be on there. So this is Lanier card right here. Cool. Smith and oh wait, did I have this one? Oh no. Cool, huh? Nice. I believe I have him as a regular one earlier somewhere. Yeah, I do. Here we go. Just a regular one. Okay. Okay, here we go. Max. This my man, Max. Clayton Kershaw. Ooh, this might be number. Yeah, it is. Oh, wow. 4 out of 10. 4 out of 10. Ooh. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Pretty sweet. Kershaw. Okay. Tyler Stitson, Cincinnati. And we got producer. Yeah. Cool. Nice. Kershaw. Right. Foreman. Rookie Hayes. And got a big fly, Matt Olson. Here we go. Yes, all-time rate. Here we go. Got a rookie here. And we got me here. Regular one. Okay. We got Tom Seaver. Ace. So that's like a parallel because I have Tom Seaver here. It's a regular one right here, and that's the green parallel, I guess. Cool. I'm really surprised with the Braves won it with Kuna out for the season. That's pretty good. Oh, I guess this is my auto. Dylan Carson and my vintage Jim Rice. Oh, and here's my auto for my second mega box. There we go. Okay, all right. They need to stay up. And then my last pack here. Bryce again. Hot sauce, but it's not Prism though. So I have one regular one and a Prism one. Neither one is number. But that's it. This is what you get. It's kind of cool. All right. And of course, your bonus pack, yellow and the red. Mosaic. Let me see. Crawford, Poole, Fletcher, Seager. So that's your yellow there. And here it is. Ooh, there we go. Luis and Pavin Smith. All right. So we got the red of Luis back there, rookie auto. All right. Okay, that should do it for the 2 mega box. Pretty decent. A lot of nice insert. Good auto. And, well, that's it. That's all I can ask for. All right. Well, thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.